प्यारे बच्चों नमस्ते। आज हम बात करेंगे चैप्टर 2 पॉलिनोमियल्स एक्सरसाइज 2.3 की। तो इसके एक्सरसाइज में क्या है हमारे पास रिमाइंडर थ्योरम। व्हाट इज अ रिमाइंडर? फर्स्ट रिमाइंडर थ्योरम फ्रॉम वेयर? फर्स्ट वर्ड इज रिमाइंडर. What is a remainder? Remainder we get in division sums. When we divide one number by another number, then we get more two terms, that is one quotient and one is remainder. The number is left over in division is called remainder. So now what here we have to discuss about the remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? Especially for the polynomials. If p of x is any polynomial of degree, which degree? Greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1 and p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Linear polynomial means the polynomial having degree 1. Degree is highest power. So see here power of x is 1. That's why this is a linear polynomial. तो ये हमारी थ्योरम है. On the basis of the theorem we have to solve exercise 2.3 questions. There are total 3 questions. First questions parts are there. 6 parts are there. Total 5 parts are there. And one second and third question is also there. This total are 3 questions. The first question parts we have here 5 to 2. Total 5 I will explain only to you. 2 or specific conditions I will explain to you. What is question first? Find the remainder. But we have to find remainder. Find the remainder when what is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. What is it? X cube plus 6 square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by there are 5 but they are divisors. Firstly I will talk about the first part, that is x plus 1. What is this as a? This is as a divisor. So first of all we have to give the names to these polynomials. Let p of x, which one? Dividend we have to take as a p of x. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and divisor we have to take as a adjunct. Q of x we can say as a quotient also, but here we can say q because there is a combination is good p or q. So this is x plus 1. What is the first condition for this here? We have to take divisor as equal to 0. Let q of x is equal to 0. Or this implies to us x plus 1 is equal to 0, or this implies to us x is equal to 0 minus 1. Means we have to find from the divisor x value firstly. So this implies to us x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. We have to fill because they said p of a is the remainder. P of a. So what is a here? Plus 1. यहाँ पे क्या है हमारे पास? ये यहाँ पे x minus a, there was in the theorem x minus a. So if we will compare x plus 1 with x minus a, we will get a's value as a negative, that is minus 1. So here we got x is equal to minus 1. Now p of a, what the meaning of p of a? P of a means a's value is minus 1, p of minus 1. Now we have to find very simple concept. Here p of minus 1 we have to calculate. It means polynomial जो p है हमारे पास, in that polynomial at the place of x we have to fill minus 1 everywhere wherever this x we have. So that's why minus 1 cube 3 into minus 1 square 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Now we have to open the brackets to go to the powers. So whenever the negative number, negative integer also we can say, their power is odd number, the sign will come always negative. क्या हमने कि whenever we have the negative integer or power is odd number, तो sign will come always negative. Minus will come. No 1 we have to multiply how many times? 3 times. And other number maybe you have to do carefully. So 1 1 1 we have to write 3 times, or then answer will 1 za 1, 1 1 za 1 means -1. Or there +3. Now here if any negative integer's value is, but it is negative integer we have, or but power is a even number, but power is even number. तो sign always क्या बताया हमने कि जब भी किसी भी नेगेटिव इंटीजर की पावर जो हमारे पास इवन नंबर है तो साइन विल कम पॉजिटिव. अदर नंबर तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. नो हियर 1 1 वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 2 टाइम्स दैट विल कम 1. तो हियर वी कैन से 3 into 1. और देन सी here is negative integer's power is 1 odd number. तो साइन विल कम नेगेटिव. साइन विल रिमेन एज अ नेगेटिव. साइन इसका क्या आएगा माइनस का ही आएगा. तो प्लस माइनस -3 1 जा 3 और +1 is a constant number there was. So means wherever x must be fill the value of x or their constant term as it we have to keep. We will not leave it. इसको छोड़ना नहीं हमने. So what will come next? -1 +3 -3 +1. See what is here at last we got in this question. One negative, one positive. It means both will be cancelled. Means 0 will become. 3 is also same way we have 3 -3. This also will come 0. So what is the remainder in this we got? But we got p of remainder there is a p of a's value as a p of means p of a means p of -1's value we got as a what is there 0. At last you have to say here p of -1 here also value is p of -1, but last we can say p of -1 is equal to 0. So what is the remainder? In this question we got remainder as a 0. तो this way the answer is. ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ से लेके यहाँ पे करूँगा फिर इसका लास्ट में आंसर बना के लिखा कि p of -1 0 है, इसलिए मेरे पास रिमाइंडर क्या बन गया इसका तो 0. ये है हमारा मेथड सॉल्व करने का. तो it is that all parts of I will not solve for you. This is a permanent fixed for each and every question. ये तो हमने करना है मींस इक्वल टू 0 लेना है, बट एट द प्लेस ऑफ 1 मे बी एनी अदर नंबर. कोई भी इसकी जगह पे नंबर हमारे पास हो सकता है. यहाँ पे ये भी चेंज हो जाएगा बट p of x will remain सेम. वो सेम ही रहेगा. तो देयर x वैल्यू कैन बी चेंज. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन 0. तो नो जस्ट आई विल गिव हिंट टू यू like as second part. I will not do full for you. Here is in second part what is x minus 1 by 2. So here x minus 1 by 2 half also we can say 0, or then this means x minus half is equal to 0, or this becomes as a simply you can say no, you know the 0 plus half will become. I am telling in detail to you because then you can understand with each and every type category students can understand easily with this. Other type they get right, but some students face problem in this question, so that's why they didn't take either assembly transpose करना है. Sometimes students forget how to transpose. So that's why transpose here will become as a positive, and then we got x is equal to half. तो नो दिस हाफ वी हैव टू फिल अगेन मींस यहाँ पे आपने अब खुद करना है. आफ्टर दिस ये बन गया p of half, then at the place of x we have to fill there is a what is half we have to fill, or then you have to solve it. I hope that you can understand it. Now next is there third part. अब इसके बाद आपने खुद करना है और सॉल्व करके मेरे को भेजना है, स्पेशली जो मेरे पास यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट क्लास टेस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है सर. तो एट द प्लेस ऑफ एवरीवेयर ओनली, बट 1 को आपने रिमूव नहीं करना है, 1 को आपने साथ में ही रखना है. बेटा जी थर्ड पार्ट भी ऐसे हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है थर्ड पार्ट. प्लीज इन थर्ड पार्ट वी हैव in third part we haven't any number with x, only single x is there. We have single x here. So then the k of x is equal to x we have to take, or the k of x is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 0. It means everywhere at the place of x equal to 0 we have to fill. But to find the remainder we have to fill at the place of x 0. They have in each and every the term wherever x that we have to fill 0 0, or constant term we have to keep as it. तो ये आपका थर्ड पार्ट था. और फोर्थ पार्ट है, आप इसमें थोड़ा सा कॉलम फेस कर सकते हैं कि दैट व्हाट इज pi's method, so we'll start to fill the pi's. ये the third part आपका. Now we will discuss fourth part. That is x plus pi. This I will solve for you fully. Then क्या होगा x? Here we are getting change in divisor. Sometimes negative with x, sometimes positive. What is a pi? X plus pi. So same we have to take let go x equal to 0. It means here what will come? X plus pi is equal to 0. Or this will give to us x is equal to minus pi. और हमारे पास x की वैल्यू बन जाएगी minus pi. और then we have to fill again in the dividend. Here minus pi we have to fill. Wherever x we have to fill at the place of x minus pi. Minus pi's value 3 plus 3 into minus pi का स्क्वायर हो गया हमारे पास 3 into minus pi plus 1. No. Then what will you say? Will you fill the pi's value? No, you will not fill pi's value. You simply have to say minus pi cube. Or here plus 3 into pi positive. The next is plus minus minus 3 pi or plus 1. Or then what will come? Minus pi cube plus 3 here. Square was also by mistake left here. 3 pi square also we have to write 3 pi square. Or then minus 3 pi plus 1. You will not fill pi's value as a 22 over 7. Only just you have to keep as a pi and as pi. So this is the remainder here. P of minus pi is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square plus minus 3 pi plus 1. This is the answer. Say over question here. One more type question may be in this. That is means divisor. Divisor may be in different way. Only the students can face problem that the value you have to fill or solve. So last part of this exercise, first questions, that is 5 plus 2x. Here is given 5 plus 2x. This is nothing. Sometimes we ignore the things of that affects our question. 5 plus 2x. And what is coefficient of x we have also? Same way we have to take that k of x is equal to 0. Not that. This implies only little difference will come, not big one. 0 or this implies, or you can write normal also. Then x term we have to keep here fixed, or then 2x is equal to minus 5. Or this will give to us x is equal to what becomes, this is multiplication is given. Multiplication becomes a division to the right. That's why this will become x is equal to minus 5 over 2. I hope that you understood nicely this one. All parts. तो ये था आपका fifth part of this question. everybody ध्यान से करना है. Only the values will be changed here. जो हमारे first parts थे उसमें x के कोई कोएफिशिएंट नहीं था हमारा, पर इसमें x का कोएफिशिएंट भी आपके पास था. तो ऐसे ही बल्कि आपने आगे खुद करना है. आपको p of minus 5/2 आपको खुद सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है जी. कभी तो मैंने हिंट दे दिया आपको. One part I solve for you, and no, this one you have to solve yourself. So wherever the new concept was that I explained to you, or last one here I said you have to do the all 4 parts yourself. No, next there is a question number 2nd. We will talk about the question number 2nd. That is different here. You know, heading is not same. तो there was a heading same. Question first की जो heading same थी, but इसमें क्या हुआ था कि divisor अलग-अलग दिए हुए थे. Divisor बहुत different. तो आपने जो हमारे पास डिविडेंड है उसको एज इट ही रखना है और डिवाइसेस को चेंज करना है. कितना से अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन. तो एक वन थिंग मोर आई वांट टू टेल. क्वेश्चन अभी आपके पास सिर्फ प्लस के हैं. नेगेटिव साइन भी हो सकता है इसमें. जैसे मान लीजिए 7 minus 2x. दिस वे आल्सो मे बी. तो आपको इसको क्या करना है इक्वल टू 0 और देन 2x भी आपको पॉजिटिव भी बनाना है. साइन वी कैन टेक साथ यहाँ पे रख दिया और वी कैन से directly both means interchange we can do in both sides together. Then no change in sign you have to show. ठीक है, do not show that. Then x is equal to 7/2 ही आ गया इसको, ऐसे चलता रहेगा आपका सिस्टम, ठीक है जी। तो देयर वाज इफ देयर इज अ प्लस साइन देन बिकम नेगेटिव, और जहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन है वो आपका क्या बन गया पॉजिटिव। इसे वही मेथड रहेगा आपका, जो भी p ऑफ x है आपने उसमें भर देना है, जरूरी नहीं कि आप पेन से आर्टिकल पॉलिनोमियल दे दिया वही रहेगा, कुछ भी हो सकता है। उसकी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द मेथड और यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट केयरफुली, ठीक है। अच्छे से आपने सिर्फ मेथड को सीखना होता है, क्वेश्चंस को नहीं सीखना है। इट इज द स्पेशल टॉपिक दैट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड। अब ये से हमारे पास क्वेश्चन फाइंड द मीटर व्हेन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है find the remainder when, again this is given x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. In first question there was not any variable other than x, but in this there is a variable a is also, but this a is considered as a coefficient and as a constant term. It's like a constant term, but this is divided by x minus a. No, in all parts but कोई दिया number, fractional numbers जब pi था वहाँ पे आपके क्वेश्चंस में first की, but here is a is there given. It's not any numerical value we have, but nothing is there. तो same way we have to consider the polynomial p of x. इसको अपने क्या करना है, नेम दे देना है इसको, कह सकते हैं let given polynomial, और let polynomial also we can say let given p of x is equal to, or we can say polynomial also let given polynomial. आपकी जो टेम्पटेशन है बहुत अच्छे से होनी चाहिए। let given polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. This is p of x divided as we have, और quotient जैसे हम इसे के ऊपर क्वेश्चन कह सकते हैं, बट ये नॉट क्वेश्चन, दिस इज एज अ डिवाइजर। जैसे 4 टर्म्स हम वन डिवीजन क्वेश्चंस में होती है, डिविडेंड, डिवाइजर, क्वोशिएंट एंड रिमाइंडर। नो अगेन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, लेट k of x इज इक्वल टू 0। हमने मान लिया कि k of x क्या है हमारे पास 0, और k of x 0 है, इट मींस व्हाट इज देयर x minus a is equal to 0, or this gives to us x is equal to, okay, I will explain to you 0 plus a, or then you can say x is equal to a, we can say x is equal to a. Now we have to find p of a's value, p of a that is a cube minus a into a square. Some students will face problem में और ये कैसा ये क्वेश्चन आ गया डाउट होगा ये, but nothing in this, plus 6 into a minus a, or then a cube will remain as a pi cube same, but it's that positive sign, minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. Means for say open the bracket, no see here तो okay, we have to write as it. Then what will come here, ध्यान से देखना ना, यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन इसका आगे पार्ट p of a is equal to a cube, this also a cube plus 6a minus a. अब दूसरी carefully, a cube positive, a cube negative, so there become 0, और then left with us 6a minus a, or we can say this as a word here, wherever we have the polynomial like terms we have coefficients, always we have to add a factor. Here 6 positive, here is coefficient 1, we can say 1, otherwise directly ask you can do, यहाँ पे ये पॉजिटिव ये नेगेटिव है, क्या करेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, और जो वेरिएबल है वो सेम ही रह जाएगा, मींस वी विल गेट एज अ 5a। तो इसमें आंसर हमारे पास आ गया, तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया, p of a की वैल्यू क्या आ गई 5a। तो एट लास्ट वी कैन से बिकॉज़ here but first find the remainders, the remainder is 5a। 5a ये हो गया हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड। ठीक है जी, आपको मैंने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के 4 पार्ट्स अपने आपको खुद सॉल्व करने के लिए दिए, बट एवर द टफ वर हियर दैट आई एक्सप्लेन टू यू। नो वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, दिस इज लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज वी विल डिस्कस हियर, और देन यू हैव टू मेक योर नोट्स। ठीक है जी, to solve each and every on your notebook. Then notes will be ready when you solve. Question number 3. This topic is not same fundamental. Here just they change. Check whether. But they said check whether. Check the name. What do you have to check? 7 plus 3x is a factor. Is a factor of 3x here plus 7x. Check whether 7 plus 6 is a factor of x square plus 7x or not. Here not sorry. Here not square. Here is cube. Here also can be, but here is cube. 3x cube plus 7x. Cubic polynomial. Here is what is cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial on the basis of degree and binomial on the basis of number of terms. So this will be a polynomial as it is. So nothing is to check whether this is a factor or not. If in this case you will get the remainder equal to 0, then this will be factor, otherwise this will not be a factor. So for this, again we have to give the names to the polynomial p of x, your dividend. That is this dividend, or then divisor as q of x we have to show, that is 7 plus 3x. No, let's q(x) equal to 0. Or this implies same way, same method we have to follow, starting in the same. Or then 3x is equal to minus 7. Or I explain to you this thing, if there is a coefficient of x we have, or that will divide right hand side terms. That is minus 7 by 3. X value we have minus 7 by 3. Nothing is there more than this. No, again same way we have to find p of minus 7 by 3. Let me the first part questions. 3 into minus 7 by 3 raised to power 3 will remain plus 7 x, that means 7 by 3. No, you have to open the bracket. हाँ जी, अभी आपको मैंने explain किया था कि negative sign, this negative will remain, but you have to solve it. 7 3 times have to multiplies. This will come 343. 43 or 3's cube will come 27. Or then this one plus minus minus will become here. क्योंकि multiplication हो गया plus into minus will come 7 7 is 49 by 3. No, see it is if division is possible you can do. See 327 is divisible by 3. That's why we can cancel it. 3 ones or 3 nines are. This is value of 7 by 3. So after this, because you can face all here, so you are right in front of you. So put it here. At last, next step, what will come? P O minus 7 by 3 is equal to minus 343 over 9 minus 49 by 3. No function space column always it is such question because I have many years experience, that's why I noted this point. I am explaining detail and everything. The denominators are not same or both mother negatives. Negatives so we can add, but practically we cannot add because the denominators are not same. So to the side you can find the LCM of the denominators to make the denominators same. LCM of 9 and 3. What will come? 9, 3 is LCM, 3 is 3 ones, or then here 3 ones. So what will come? Here 1 as it will come. So LCM 9 and 3, 3 into 3, that is 9. So LCM is also 9. ठीक है जी, डिटेल I explained to you. हाँ जी, ये आपके पास आ गया 9 LCM. तो we have to divide after this. What is there? LCM जो हमारे पास है ना, LCM को हमें डिवाइड करना होता है जिस जो भी हमें रैशनल नंबर का फ्रैक्शन सॉल्व करना है उसके डिनोमिनेटर से। तो LCM है हमारे पास 9 को कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे, क्योंकि हम पहले ये फ्रैक्शन सॉल्व करेंगे, पहले ये रैशनल नंबर सॉल्व करेंगे। तो 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 9 को 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे, क्या आएगा हमारे पास 1, और by that 1 we have to multiply 343. It means we can see 343 into 1. और नेक्स्ट इज माइनस, साइन रिमेन सेम और हियर अगेन एलसीएम यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द नेक्स्ट नंबर व्हाटएवर वी हैव। ठीक है, सो देयर इज डिनोमिनेटर इज 3, एलसीएम इज 9, तो 9 को 3 से डिवाइड करना है। किसको डिवाइड करना है, क्या फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, एलसीएम डिवाइडेड बाय डिनोमिनेटर। जो भी हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन जाएगा, वो भी क्वेश्चन जाएगा हमारे पास, उस क्वेश्चन से हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है न्यूमरेटर को। न्यूमरेटर हमारे पास यहाँ पे 49 है, 49 को हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना है। अब ये इसका आया 3, ठीक है, जो हमने कर लिया यहाँ पे 1 I want to tell you 9 को हमने 3 से डिवाइड किया और देयर वी विल गेट व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन 3, तो हमने इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई। नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट व्हाट वी कॉल, we have here minus 343 minus, so multiply this one, 147 become 3 9 is 27, 2 3 for the 12 plus 2 14, therefore 147. We can add this 10 for 4 8 9, okay, 4 over 9, so sign become negative because both are the negative numbers we have. तो ये था हमारा क्वेश्चन, ठीक है जी, हमने सॉल्व कर लिया इसको। अब ये देखो कि ये फैक्टर है या नहीं है, इसे आपको डिसाइड करना है। तो व्हाट हैपेंड हियर, हियर इज रिमाइंडर वी हैवंट इक्वल टू 0, ठीक है जी। अब हमारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, या तो स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, तो जल्दबाजी में रहते हैं हमेशा। यहाँ पे आपको शो करना है कि p of minus 7/3 not is equal to 0, क्योंकि ये not equal to 0 तो है ही हमारे पास, not equal to 0, तो what will you say, since this one is there, here also we can say not is equal to 0, then we can say this one not equal to 0, therefore ये हो गया हमारे पास since, अब क्या कहेंगे, therefore what is 7 plus 3x is not a factor of, is not a factor of, what is the dividend, 3x cube plus 7x, तो ये हमारी क्या हो जाएगी, लास्ट लाइन, तो इज नॉट अ फैक्टर ऑफ 3x cube plus 7x। तो ये हमारी एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट होगी, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक्सरसाइज 2.4। थैंक्स।